Plumbing experts and homeowners both agree, water pressure issues are annoying. When talking about water pressure, we're referring to how much or how little water comes out of the faucet, hose, or most importantly, the shower. Think of it like blood pressure. Too low and you're in trouble, too high and you could blow a gasket. A healthy water pressure for your home is between 60 and 80 psi. If it's lower than 60, your pressure is going to be too weak. Since plumbing systems are only designed for a maximum pressure of 80 psi, anything over 80 will actually break down your plumbing system. Be sure to look out for the signs of high water pressure. Faucets dripping, banging pipes, toilets constantly running, water heaters dripping or leaking, very strong flow of water from faucets, and leaking pipe fittings. If you notice any of these symptoms, you may have high water pressure, which has a detrimental effect on your piping, faucets, water heater, appliances, and high efficiency washing machines. Low water pressure, on the other hand, is just downright annoying. But thankfully, the experts here at Wahl can not only identify problem areas, we can also provide solutions such as larger water lines, waterline replacement, auto pressure boosters, full port valves and fitting, less restrictive supplies, reservoir booster systems, and water service replacement. Not sure if your water pressure is okay? Don't worry, the experts here at Wahl are here to help. We'll inspect and check your water pressure for free during a plumbing or HVAC system check or tune-up. For more information, visit our website at 1-855-GET-WAHL.com or give us a call at 1-855-GET-WAHL. For a happy home, get Wahl. We're in your neighborhood since 1980.